Break an egg in a cup, whisk and keep aside. In a mixing bowl, add corn flour, maida, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. Now add ginger garlic paste and lime juice. Now add the egg mixture little at a time. Mix well. Keep mixing by adding the remaining egg until you get a fine batter. Now add the fish to the batter and mix well. Let the marinade sit for 10 minutes before frying. Now shallow fry the fish in batches. Fish doesn't take a long time to cook, so after 3 minutes, add some curry leaves and take them out.
Nethili 65 is ready.
Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.